I'm going to demonstrate the assembly of the convoluted kinematic coin contraption. So we've got the case, the back window, the front window, the coin tray, the three discs, the incline, the rocker, the two wedges, and the sync bar. And then these are the C-clips. You have an option when you print it. You can either do this one or the solid front window. The solid front window is really only good if you can print fully transparent. I'm printing with transparent filament, but you can see it's not super transparent. So I went with the one with the holes in it, which is called the designed front window. So the first thing you do, take your case and you flip it over to the back side. Then you take the front window, slide it in. You're going to slide it in bottom first. Slide it all the way to the back and in past these tabs at the sides and top. Then we will insert the discs. So look for the one with this little circle on it. That one goes on the left. And then this one goes on the right. This one goes in the middle. The little one goes in the middle. Take the incline, put the long end to the left, put it there, make sure it's above this little tab here. Take the rocker, put it on this, and then make sure that it's sliding behind this disc. Then take the wedges. Now there are two different kinds of wedges. One of them has, you see, a rounded back end. The other one has a straight back end. The straight one, put on the left. Put the rounded one on the right. And they have these tabs at the bottom that fit in between two little pegs right there. So then to secure the discs, this is kind of optional, but I like to use these. These are C-clips. They clip onto the axles and they keep the discs from being able to slide too much. It keeps them rotating a little bit more smoothly. The C-clips have a bevel on them, and so you need to install them in the right way. What I did is I put a Sharpie mark on the back, on the bottom side from where they were printed. Then, so keep the Sharpie side down, slide it on just like that. I'll do that with all three. Oops. Now you need to make sure that each one of these turns really smoothly. They need to turn very smoothly without slowing down. Like even this is maybe a little bit slowing down. Ideally it would turn a little bit more smoothly than that, but this is probably okay. But probably for the future I will want to come back and use a file either on the hole in the disc or else on the actual axle, just to make sure that it has a little bit more wiggle room so that it can turn really smoothly. For now, like I said, this will be okay. Now we insert the back window. Got to be careful when you do this because these guys can pop out pretty easily. So the way you insert the back window is you slide it in right in front of the pegs down there, so it's going to be just past this big tab here, and then slide it all the way down to the bottom. It can be a little bit tight, but it should fit in all right. A couple times I've printed it, I've had to do a little bit of sanding on the edges just to make sure that everything fits in right, but this looks like it's going just fine. And then snap it into place. Make sure these tabs and these tabs are all actually holding it there, that they're fully past them. And so we're good here. Now you want to align these pegs so that they're all at about the same angle. And you're going to put on the sink bar. Make sure it's got protrusions. The protrusions go down. And then you just kind of snap them in place. Now that's the mechanical part of it is fully assembled. Flip it over. Installing the coin tray. You go bottom first. You slip it past this tab right here. So you just kind of angle it in there, and then you should be able to just snap it in place. And boom, it's done.